Good morning, children. Welcome to Bhasham Little Champs. This is Usha, your EVS teacher. I hope you all are waiting for me only. Thank you, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Have you had your breakfast, children? Very good. Before going the section, I would ask one funny question for you. Okay, be ready with your pen and paper. What has teeth but cannot eat? I am repeating again. What has teeth but cannot eat? Think, children. I will reveal the answer at the end of the session. Okay? We are observe so many things outside. When you go to outside for playing, you can observe so many things. What are there? Plants, animals, human beings, uh, rocks, mountains, rivers, all these are there, no? What all are these? These all are the same? No, they are different type. What is the differences in these? This, these are the living and non-living things. Today our topic is living and non-living things. What are the living things and what are the non-living things we have to discuss. We are surrounded by many kinds of things. Plants, animals and human beings are living things. Human beings means us. Here you can observe so many things are there. Living and non-living things are there. In the non-living things we have two different types. First one is natural thing and second one is man-made thing. What is a natural thing? The things which are obtained by the nature is called natural things, means rocks. You can see the rocks, mountains, rivers, seas, sun, moon, all these are the natural things. What are the man-made things? Eraser, pencil, pen, fan, table, chair, all these are the man-made things which are made by the man are called the man-made things. Sing and swing, children. Many things our earth has got. Some are living, some are not. Rocks and bushes, roads and trees, children, elephants and bees. What's the different? How to spot something living and something not? So, here we can differentiate the living and non-living things. Human beings, animals and plants are living things. Living things breathe. Living things breathe means we are, what is meant by the breathing? Taking the oxygen inside and leaving the carbon dioxide outside. This is called the breathing. Human beings and plants can breathe. What about the plants? We can see that the plants have small pores on their leaves. They can take the air inside by these pores. So the plants also can breathe. Living things move. What the living things move here, children? Living things move on their own. The cat can walk, run. Like this, all the living things can move. What about the plants? Plants can move. Plants fixed their roots inside the soil so that it can move the leaves and branches and flowers. So, when we observe a sunflower, it turns the direction towards the sun. By this we can say that the plants of the leaves can move. Leaves are flowers. Okay, children? Living things need food, air and water to live. All the living things need food because by the food we can get the energy. So all the living things need food, air and water. For the animals also they need the sunlight, water and air so that it will grow, children. For the doll, if our doll eats anything, drink the water, breathe the air? No, because it is a non-living thing. Living things feel. All the living things have feelings. When we observe, when we go to on a sunny day, what we feel? We feel very thirsty. Like this, all the living things have feelings. When we touch the touch me not plant, we can observe the plant, the leaves can fold like this because it it is a living thing. Living thing? Is it a living thing, children? It can eat, it can drink, it can breathe, it can move. No, because it is a non-living thing. Did you know, children? Plants are living things. They too have feelings. Before I said no, the touch me not plant. We touch the plant, the leaves fold. By this, we can say that the plants have also feelings. Living things grow. Us, animals and plants also grow because we are all are living things. Here you can see, children, when you plant a seed, it grows into a small one. Then it goes into a small plant and it again and it goes into a big plant and a big tree. By this, plants also grow. Our also, by the kitten, we can see a kitten develop into a cat, a puppy into a dog. Like this, a baby, a child into a adult. Like this, also all the living things grow. Living things reproduce the young one. What is meant by reproduce? Reproduce means giving birth by our own kind. Humans give birth to their babies. Animals also. We can see the hen. It lays the eggs and develops into a baby. Like this, animals, plants, all these are reproduce the young one. Okay. Next, living things die. All the living things have a lifespan. Plants, some plants live few months. Some plants live many years. Like the animals, and for us also there is a certain lifespan. Did you know, children? Our nails and hair keep growing throughout our lives. We can ask your grandma or grandpa, they will say that their nails and hair also grow throughout our lives. Here you can observe, children, when we plant a small seed, it grows into a small one and grows into as large as. By this, we can see that the growing of the plant. You can try it in your home also. Here we can see the non-living things. Non-living things do not breathe, move on their own, eat food, grow, feel or reproduce young one. They do not have lives, so they do not die. Example of non-living things are book, ball, pencil, erasers, etc. When suddenly a snake come into a house, what will you do, children? You can run, etc. When suddenly a snake come into a house, what will you do, children? You can run and ask for somebody's help. Did your chair run? Did your doll cry? No, because it is a non-living thing. It do not breathe, do not move, do not eat, do not grow, do not have feelings, do not reproduce the young one. It do not die. By this we can say that it is the non-living things. Here you can observe the things here: ball, pen, eraser, book. When you observe your small pencil, it grows into a big pencil. No, because it is a non-living thing. When you feed your doll, it will eat anything, biscuit or chocolate. Why? Because it is a non-living thing. Here we have the homework. Page number 4. Write 5 living things and 5 non-living things that you see in the given picture. You can observe it, children. Come on, see that. What are things here? living and non-living things both are there. You can identify them and write in their places. Five living things here and five non-living things there. If you have a book, note it down. Otherwise, you write in your rough book. Fill in the blanks with the help of clues. First one. All living things need dash to drink. What the all living things need, children? All living things need water. Without water, we cannot live. So, water is very important. You have to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. It is very essential for our body. Okay, children? Second one. All living things need dash to eat. What the all living things need, children? Without that, we cannot get energy. What is that? Yes, it is the food. All living things need food to eat. Third one. All plants require dash to grow. What the all plants require? Without this, the plants will not grow. That is the sunlight. With the help of the sunlight, water and air, the plants will grow. All the plants require sunlight to grow. Fourth one. All living things need dash to breathe. What all the living things need? All the living things need air to breathe. Fifth one. All living things require dash to live in. What all the living things require? We all require the shelter. Without a shelter, we cannot stay the outside, no? Yes. All living things require shelter to live in. Next one. Write yes or no. All living things require shelter to live in. Next one. Write yes or no as your answer. Here you can see the tree. Is it a tree? Is it a tree, children? Yes, it is a tree. Does it grow? Yes, it grows. Does it move? Yes, it moves their leaves, flowers and branches. Does it breathe? Yes, it breathes. Does it need food? Yes, it needs food as the form of sunlight, air and water. Is it a living thing? Is it a living thing, children? Yes, it is a living thing. Is it a ball? Does it grow? Is it a ball, children? No. Does it grow? No. Does it move? No. Does it breathe? No. Does it need food? No. Is it a non-living thing? Yes, it is a non-living thing because non-living things do not require the growing, move, breathe, need food. All are these. So it is a non-living thing. Answer the following. Are you living or non-living? Are you living or non-living things? You eat, you drink, you grow, you move, you breathe. All these are, yes, you are living things. Second one. Are your clothes living or non-living? Living. Third one. Do living things grow in size? Yes, I show it now. Living things grow in a size. When you observe your old photos, you can see that you can grow. Yes, like this all the living things grow in a size. Fourth one. Do non-living things breathe? No, non-living things do not breathe. Fifth one. Which things have life? Living or non-living things? Which things have life, children? Yes, living things. Here is a homework, children. If you have books, write it there. Otherwise, you have to write in your rough books. What are the spellings here? Living things. LIVINGTHINGS. Living things. Second one. Travel. TRAVEL. A-V-L-E, travel. Third one, natural, N-A-T-U-R-A-L, natural. Fourth one, man-made, M-A-N. Third one, natural, N-A-T-U-R-A-L, natural. Fourth one, man-made, M-A-N-M-A-D-E, made, man-made. Fifth one, human beings, H-U-M-A-N-B-E-I-N-G-S, human beings. Sixth one, reproduce, R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-E, reproduce. Okay, children? Note it down fast. Next, page number 3. Breathe, B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. Grow, G-R-O-W, grow. Chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. Table, T-A-B-L-E, table. Clouds, C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Rocks, R-O-C-K-S, rocks. Vehicles, V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S, vehicles. Factories, F-A-C-T-O-R-I-E-S, factories. Non-living things, N-O-N-L-I-V-I-N-G, T-H-I-N-G-S, non-living things. You have to read it thoroughly and practice more, children. These are the important spellings. Okay, children? Did you understand that? What are the difference between the living and non-living things? Living things can grow, eat, breathe, move, all are these. But non-living things do not breathe, do not go, do not move, do not eat, do not breathe, all these. So, these are the difference between the living and non-living things. Did you think that one? I ask you now first the funny question. The answer is comb, children. That is the comb. I think you can understood this session. Okay, thank you so much, children. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.